Hi, my friends. It is fall. You can see up here, I'm just a little bit. Hi, my friends. It's fall. It's that time of year. Maybe stop it. Hi, my friends. It's that time of year again. It's my very favorite time, which is fall. And when I start thinking about fall, honestly, it's so many things that make me happy. I guess I'm a typical middle-aged woman in that way, but pumpkin spice lattes, carving pumpkins, hay rides, my favorite thing in the whole world. Pumpkin pie, cinnamon, just all the awesome things that are associated with fall. But something else that makes me think of is kind of that shedding or release. And so for me, it's kind of the shedding and release of regrets that I might have. So it could be a regret in general that you want to let go of, or could be something specific. So like many of you perhaps, I went through a divorce a few years ago, and I had a hard time living with regret. And for me, it was the regret of staying in a relationship that was unhealthy for what seemed like, there's my puppy, for what seemed like a really long time. And so I felt that I had missed out on life, if you will. And I finally came to terms with, had I not experienced something, right? Had I not known pain, right? That expression, then I never could really know joy. And it's true. It's kind of like, if you hadn't known the cold temperatures of the Midwest, you'd never see those amazing fall leaves, right? So for me, it was looking at it in a different perspective. But I found that in order to stay happy, we need to be in the present moment, and we need to leave regret behind. So maybe you have something that you've been holding on to that you'd like to release. Please put it in the comment section below. And I'd love to have sort of a communal release together and kind of just celebrate all the happy things the fall has to offer, and shed the things that we don't need that are weighing us down and keeping us from that happiness. So let me know. I'm excited about the release, and I'm super excited about fall. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.